How to buy interactive teller machine token. So this token came under the symbol of ITM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget also to check their Telegram channel. They included it on their bio. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token also trending number 9 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address on open your fund to mine. For that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is also going to click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slip patch from here or custom it. Because the most issues came from the slip patch, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy ITM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.